Hi guys, this is not going to be the world's most best video, but yes, I am back at work. But I'm sitting at a repair place with the trailer in front of me and I guess a little tow lot over there. And my trailer is, well, you can't see it. But my trailer, oh man, why am I always finding the bad trailers? Got over to my third stop, was going to be heading down to the valley, which means down to like McAllen, Mission, Texas and whatnot. Had 3 stops done, and then I hear the reefer start acting all kinds of crazy, making noises it shouldn't be making, and it turns off. Turn it back on, clear the codes, turn it back on, and then it turns back off within 5 seconds. Do it again, it runs a little bit longer, but it shuts back down. So I turn off compartment 2 and 3 because I actually had those empty. Turn it back on, and it's somewhat staying on. It's staying on but turning off, staying on, turning off. The thing that sucks is I got product still in the trailer, so I gotta keep an eye on the temperature and make sure it doesn't get too warm in there because, well, food products, you don't want it getting too warm. Don't know how long I'm going to be at this repair place, but if I'm here while they do the repair, then I guess they'll have some pretty cool video of doing the repair. They just put a thumbstick drive in there and download a bunch of information from it. They're going to find out what's wrong. Might be just the compressor, but they don't. Of course, they don't have the compressor here. So it's just a waiting game to kind of find out what's going to happen right now. I have no idea. But there's like 10 pallets or so. I mean, I can actually look real quick. Six. I got 7 pallets in there still. So, not a god-awful lot, but enough. Just got back from being on home time. Anyway, so quick backtrack. My student did get off the truck. He is taking care of some family issues that came up, so he's not going to be getting back on my truck or be like a week plus. So I am going to be looking for a new student. If you are ready to get on my truck, here in the next day or two, hit me up. You're more welcome to get on, and we'll start rolling and get your training going. Just message me down below. The first person that I guess gets on top of it. I mean, I still haven't really figured out a system yet to make things work, but the first person who messages, and yeah, that's who will get on my truck, male or female, I don't care. Anyway, I guess I'm just gonna sit here and wait until this they tell me to either drop this reefer, they bring me another one, or what. I have no idea, but I'll let you guys know in the next video. So if you'd like to know what happens with this reefer, or you'd like to see the repair video, if I am there for the repair, you're gonna have to hit that subscribe button, and as well as the like button, because that way I know you're interested in it. Just go like that, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Take it easy. See ya. Have fun. Yep. Bye.